Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to change video quality on Amazon Prime on your iPhone in 2025. Whether you're dealing with spotty Wi-Fi or just want that crystal clear 8K experience, adjusting video quality is a game changer for your streaming sessions. This guide is perfect if you're new to the app or if things have changed with the latest updates. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Amazon Prime app installed on your iPhone. If not, head to the App Store, search for Amazon Prime Video, and download it. It's free for Prime members. Once you're all set, open the app and sign in with your account. Now, select the video you want to watch and start playing it. You'll notice a new, intuitive interface in 2025 that makes everything smoother. To change the video quality, tap the screen to bring up the playback controls. Look for the gear icon or settings button. It's usually in the bottom right corner. Tap that, and you'll see a menu pop up with options like video quality. Here, you can choose from settings such as standard, HD, 4K, or even 8K if your device supports it and you have a fast enough connection. Amazon has made this super user-friendly, so just select your preferred quality and hit apply. If you're on a cellular network, the app might prompt you to confirm to avoid data overages. Always a smart feature. One cool thing in 2025 is the auto adjust option, which lets the app switch quality based on your internet speed. To access that, go back to the main settings in the app by tapping your profile icon, then App Settings, and look under Playback Preferences. Toggle it on for hassle-free viewing. Remember, higher quality means more data usage, so keep an eye on your plan. There you have it. That's how you change video quality on Amazon Prime on your iPhone. It's quick, straightforward, and will enhance your binge-watching experience. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.